Guys, cryptos are falling rapidly. I know you guys have a lot of concerns and questions, and I'm going to be answering those in today's video. I'm also going to be doing a technical analysis to see if Doge is headed up or down, so you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. If you haven't already joined my Patreon, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. That's how you get my buy and sell trade alerts on a lot of different altcoins. Whenever I see a steep dip, that rare time when all the whales have sold out and there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in, I then let you guys know that I'm ready to buy so that you guys can buy as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak when we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I then let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold with diamond hands. And if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you can do that by subscribing, smash that like button, ring the bell so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the top pinned comment where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade alerts because we've made a lot of money. Guys, it doesn't matter if you only have $50, $100, or $200 to invest, it's never too little. And guys, be sure to smash that like button, it really does help out the channel. Guys, what do you think of all this inflation? Do you think it's going to end up being a good thing for crypto in the stock market? I personally think it'll cause the stock market to tank, while crypto will likely skyrocket because of it. But let me know your thoughts down below. Guys, as an experienced day trader, I've seen a lot of these downtrends for a long period of time, these bearish periods, and guys, it doesn't last forever. It never does, and every time this happens, the whales accumulate. Whales like me with 6 figures in the bank, we accumulate at these dips. These are the best times to make money, guys. The rich get in at these infancy stages when the prices are less than half of their actual worth. That way, by accumulating at these low prices, when we do have another bull run, which will be very, very soon with all these fundamental catalysts, you'll then rake in a lot of profits. So be sure to have some cash on the side when I do put out my trade alerts on my Patreon. Guys, we're just in a corrections period. With every bull run, we always need a cool down phase, and that's currently what we're in. Whether it's market manipulation, FUD, or the whales keeping the price down, guys, it's okay because they can't keep it down forever. In fact, the lower it goes, the more attractive it ends up becoming to investors, especially since they have confidence in the future of crypto. Guys, when we look back historically in the crypto charts, we see the prices double every single year or more. Generally, these periods don't last very long, so it will likely change very, very soon, and you want to get in before it ends up going up again. Whether it be the stock market or the crypto market, it can't just go straight up, it can't just go straight down, no matter how hard of a bull run we have. So with this volatility, guys, it's completely normal and it is nothing to worry about. Always hold with diamond hands, never have paper hands, never sell for less than you bought in for. Never put money in the stock market that you're going to need very soon because you don't want to feel pressure to take money out quickly. You always want to keep it in until the desired profits are reached. Guys, this is also the same with the housing market. If you're seeing house prices continue to go up, they're not just going to keep going up, guys. They're eventually going to stop. They're then going to go down a little bit or a lot. Guys, the whales want you to sell. They want you to have paper hands. They want to scare you with all the FUD and fake news. Guys, don't be one of them. Don't have paper hands and get out and say, I'm afraid it's going to go to zero. Because, guys, guess what? It's not going to go to zero. It never has. It never will. Don't let these big dogs scare you. They've got a lot of money and they're just trying to make more money by taking the money out of your pockets. Don't let it happen. I certainly won't let it happen. And that's why I put out my trade alerts and inform you guys on my Patreon. So you're best informed and you know best when to buy and sell. Guys, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. If you want to trade cryptos tax-free, go ahead and use my iTrust Capital link in the top pinned comment. Also, if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, go ahead and use my Webull link in the top pinned comment as well. If you deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. Guys, stay on the horse. Don't get off of it because we are going to have some major green days very soon. Whether it be because of the Jack Dorsey, Elon Musk event happening later this month, or the child tax credits that were just issued. Guys, there's going to be a lot more money poured into Dogecoin, poured into crypto, poured into Bitcoin because of these banks, institutions, companies, and mom and pop shops taking it on. Guys, everybody wants to take on Dogecoin and crypto and to start accepting it as payment because they know that every penny they get in crypto, it will eventually be worth a heck of a lot more in the long run. Guys, cryptos were about to skyrocket. In fact, they were about to see some green days. And guys, this is based on the software and experience of my own. However, because of the inflation report that was just released, people got scared. They got even more scared than ever before, and that's why the prices have been going down. But guys, this is the best time to buy in. Don't let this FUD and market manipulation scare you. Guys, a year ago, Bitcoin was just at $9,000. Guys, when the balance of crypto exchanges are removed and put into a cold wallet or cold storage, guys, it's just a safer place to put money when you take it out of crypto. Guys, when that happens, that is a very bullish symbol, guys. That shows confidence in the market, confidence in crypto and Bitcoin. And guys, once people started seeing those prices go down on Bitcoin, when it hit that 9,000 mark, people went crazy. They bought up like crazy. And these big institutions, these big whales, they put all their money into Bitcoin. And guys, that's why it almost hit $70,000 even this year. Guys, we're starting to see that chain reaction begin again, with a lot of whales putting it into cold storage. Guys, we're about to see another uptrend, a massive breakout, because that's what we saw previously. Guys, we're at the bottom right now. It's about to take off. It might take a week or two, but be patient, have diamond hands, and you will see the Bitcoin price go up and the rest of the cryptos follow up along with it. Guys, it wouldn't surprise me if Bitcoin hit 60, 70, 80, or even $100,000 just by the end of this year. Even though a lot of crypto experts are conjecturing that it may in fact very well hit $150,000 or $200,000 just by the end of this year or early 2022. Guys, we're currently running into a supply and demand issue with Ethereum. Guys, it was consolidating for a long period of time, and then we hit a bottom and then a bounce thereafter, just as I called out. Guys, with these major drops on Ethereum, with all the buy alerts that I'm putting out on my Patreon, expect to see some massive pumps very soon. Ethereum is so incredibly discounted, it is a great time to get in. Guys, the whales in these big institutions know that these massively discounted prices won't be there for long. They're going to get bought up, especially with all these new updates coming out for Ethereum, Dogecoin, and others. So guys, this may very well be an opportunity of a lifetime. A news article just came out titled, "Inflation is Rampant. Is it time to buy Bitcoin?" In the article, it says that inflation is at its highest that it's ever been in 13 years. And that's why we've been seeing so much red in the crypto market. It also explains how people who invest in crypto are actually doing it because crypto acts as a hedge against inflation. And that's why we should see, with all of this inflation and the inflation reports coming out, a lot more money being poured into crypto, poured into Dogecoin and Bitcoin and Ethereum and a lot of others. Guys, you want to get in before this happens, before the billions and trillions of dollars gets poured in, and then the price is going up. You don't want to buy on that uptrend. You don't want to have FOMO and wish you got in earlier. You want to get in now. You want to get on my Patreon and wait for my trade alert so that you know that you're getting in at the perfect time, with only a short period of time before we see profits, just as we've seen time and time again. The US dollar is depreciating at a rapid rate. Guys, it's important to get your money over to crypto before it deflates even more, before we see even more inflation of the US dollar. And that's why so many people and companies are getting their money into crypto so quickly, especially at these incredibly discounted prices. Guys, just so you understand, in the early 1900s, a $20 bill could literally fill up an entire shopping cart full of groceries. However, now I'm sure, as you already know, you could easily spend $20 just going into a gas station for some snacks. What does this mean, guys? This means, guys, if you just hold on to your US dollars and don't ever invest it into anything or cryptocurrency, your money will be worth so much less eventually whenever you do need to use it. Now, guys, what's so fascinating is, when Bitcoin was originally coming out, you could only buy, let's say, a bag of chips with it. But now, several years later, guys, you can easily fill up several shopping carts at the grocery store because Bitcoin is continuously appreciating, especially with its limited number. Guys, Elon Musk is continuing to tweet out memes regarding Dogecoin. Guys, it will have that much more power as he continues to tweet out the more that crypto pumps, especially when we are on a new bull run, just as we've seen time and time again. He'll tweet out and we'll see the prices jump massively. Guys, as we look at the Dogecoin charts, we do see our level of support at 19 cents. Guys, it likely will not go down below that. We're now seeing a lot more green candlesticks, just as you saw when I called out to buy the dip. Right here, we saw the price jump up huge on up here. So guys, if you bought that dip, you've already made a lot of money. We are also seeing it go down just a little bit more, as you can see. So guys, you want to be ready with some cash on the side to buy another dip so that we can rake in more profits once again. We are currently at an oversold position for Dogecoin. Guys, oversold positions do not last very long, so you want to get in before the next pump. Guys, we're going to see a reversal for cryptos very, very soon with a lot more green days, so you're going to want to get in and get in at the right time. And that's why, if you haven't already joined my Patreon, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment. That's where you get my buy and sell trade alerts on a lot of different cryptocurrencies. As I watch the charts throughout the day, I wait for a steep dip, that rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I then let you guys know that I'm ready to buy so that you guys can buy as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak when we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well, or hold hold with diamond hands. Also, if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you can do that by subscribing, smash that like button, ring the bell so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the description where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. Guys, thank you so much for watching my daily Dogecoin uploads, and I'll see you tomorrow.